Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a trend video. I find these videos so entertaining, so I'm like, I want to hop on the bandwagon and try it myself. So I'm going to do, as you guys saw on the title, try to follow Jackie Aina's makeup tutorial. So I'm so excited. I freaking love Jackie Aina. She is freaking amazing. So we're gonna follow her tutorial. Hopefully I do it justice. I did. The one I'm gonna follow is cheap, glowy, dewy makeup for oily skin. Your girl is cheap. I tried my best to find the products that she used in the video. I don't have like everything, but I kind of like mixed and matched what she used. So hopefully I can follow it to the T. I'm so excited to do this video. So, and by the way, I have pink hair because in her video she had pink hair. So, you know, we had to do that. So I'm gonna first put my hair back because it's gonna be in the way and I don't want all this hair in my face. I think I'm gonna have the video, hopefully I can do that, have the video in the corner so that, whoa, you guys saw my lace exposed. But so you guys can see the video as well, so you can compare. Hers is probably gonna look so much better. I'm not like a really good at makeup, as you guys know, but we're gonna try this. So I'm gonna stop talking so it won't be too long, and we're gonna start watching the video.
Hi guys, it's your girl Jackie Aina. Don't judge me because I couldn't bother to change, and this robe is really comfortable.
This is before the jacket. I freaking love when she does that. But anyways,
fabulous look. How to fear it is oily, girl friendly, combination skin friendly. I just want to show you guys that you can get.
Sorry, I'm looking down. I'm watching the video. So
without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to subscribe so you never
yes, go subscribe to her. I'll leave her link in the description box, by the way, so you guys can check out if you haven't seen her, which you probably have.
So it's kind of a first impressions all rolled into one. You're wondering what I'm shaking. It's my NYX Angel Veil. It's my primer. Kind of goes on like this.
So I don't have that primer, but I do have the NYX Shine Killer, so I'm going to use that. I already put moisturizer on, by the way, so let me put some of that on. This is the only primer I basically have. I don't have that many primers, so
remember that one product I told you I was going to cheat with? Yeah, it's the setting powder. There's no other powder on the market that's yellow. That's
okay, so I'm going to use, because this is the only yellow setting powder that I have, is the flower powder. So I'm going to use this one. This one is the yellow powder, setting powder. She always sets her primer. I don't even wear primer mostly, but since she's setting her powder, we gotta set our, set our primer.
And this is the closest to drugstores again, so I'm gonna be setting my entire face using this powder. Now, whoa, it's gonna get a little crazy before it gets beautiful again, so just bear with me. I still have to do certain things so that my skin doesn't get too shiny too fast. So now I look like Michael Jackson.
Hopefully that's enough. It kind of just melted into my skin, but I think we're good.
I'm going to take my actual foundation and go back to my real actual color. This is the Maybelline Dream Cushion. If you want that dewy wet look.
Dream Cushion. So I have the L'Oreal Lumi Cushion Foundation. Hopefully it'll work the same. I hope. Go.
If we're going for that dewy look, you're going to get that look, but without looking like a frying pan in an hour and a half. You know what I mean? If you have oily skin, you know what I'm talking about. I don't want to see none of y'all mixing equal parts far solid with your foundation like the dry skin girls are doing, okay? We can't do that, okay? We have a different path in life. Using the NYX HD Concealer, good luck finding it in this color. The one that I use is Nutmeg as a highlight, and I'm not kidding. It's like almost always sold out. This concealer is the...
So I'm going to use the Infallible Pro Glow Concealer because I do not have that concealer at all. But I'm going to put it on like she puts it on. Let me see how she put it on. So.
Dark circles? No problem. Didn't get enough sleep last night? No big deal. Stayed up all night due to midterms? No one's going to know. All of this is in the skin so you don't shear it out unless you want to, of course.
Press. More concealer.
I almost always do this. Let it dry a little bit. Let it dry. I know there's a method to a madness, but trust me, you get more coverage. When you just go right in and attack when the concealer is still wet, you didn't even give it a chance to lay its primer. You didn't give it a chance to
Oh, so I should let it dry?
It also shears out.
I'm gonna let it dry. Okay, okay. I don't know if that was enough, but I let it dry a little bit because we wanted to go through its full potential, as she was saying. Let's get it. Okay.
A little bit, so.
All right.
Let that concealer dry. Don't be shy. Set it with the Sacha Buttercup or whatever powder works for you.
Hold on. I feel like these tutorials move so fast, but I know that it's cut so that you don't have to watch like for a year and a day. I feel like I should have picked like a harder tutorial, but I feel like this is fun. I love the look on this one. But anyway, she was going to do setting powder, so we're going to go back to the flower powder.
I'm fond of the setting powders in the drugstore, so I'm going to keep that just under the eyes and not
just under the eyes?
Obviously, we want that shine today. A look like this is more focused on the skin.
And it doesn't look like she brushed it away, so I'll leave that to set. I feel like my face is so oily though, the rest of my face, so I don't know. The brow pencil. I don't think I have a brow pencil. Wait. I do have a brow pencil.
Shot today for the first time.
So I'm gonna use the Maybelline one.
Brown first, and then I'm going to fill in with chocolate brown after that. Or wait, brunette.
Okay.
Brunette.
Okay, now we're gonna fill in the eyebrows.
This is working out really nice. My problem with drugstore pencils is that a lot of them don't run dark enough to really define my brows. So when I saw blackest brown, I was like, I need that. Now I'm filling in with brunette.
I don't normally.
That is working out amazing. Look at that.
I don't normally use brow pencils because I just feel like powders look softer and more natural, but since we're following the tutorial, we gotta do that.
This brow is not about to play with y'all. For the eyes,
well, her brows aren't. Mine are playing.
Lighter than your skin tone, especially if you have a really hard time getting eyeshadow colors to pop. I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm going.
So I don't have the LA Girl Concealer or Pro Concealer. I used to have it, but I don't have it right now. So I'm just going to use the Outlast All Day Cover, or yeah, from CoverGirl. This shade is pretty light. It's in deep, but their deep isn't so deep.
I'm going to put that all over my eyelid, which by the way, if you've never tried LA Girl Pro as a foundation, who you was missing out? You really are missing out. Who are you missing out? Take your sponge and blend that in. You can extend that all the way up to your brow bone too if you want like a little highlight. It's duty time!
Okay, let me blend it out. This one is way watery, so I don't know if it's gonna work like the LA Girl.
Work that into my crease color with this NYX blending brush, which is amazing by the way. I'm also taking that color down my bottom lash line, and the color so far banging. There's two dark browns in this palette. One of them is more
I need to blend that in more. So the outer corner it looks like, and then in the crease. Okay, so I have that on. The brown is on. Now we're going to see what she used in the lid.
bronzy gold and put a little bit of that on top.
Okay, so like a bronzy gold and then a little bit of a gold on top. So I'm just going to mix some golds together. And she used her finger and then just dabbed it on there. So we go dab, dab, dab. Dab. Just kidding. So lame. No eyeliner. So basically if I mess up my eye, like if I place my eyelashes wrong, you're going to see all the mistakes because we're not doing eyeliner today. So good luck, because I always put eyeliner on because I make mistakes. So I'm so scared. Hopefully I don't. So I have the lashes on. You definitely can see my lashes separated from the freaking eyelash extension, but we're gonna blend it with mascara, I believe.
Our natural lash. We fluff them up.
So I'm just gonna use the Lash Paradise.
My bottom lashes. Now I'm gonna do something that I never do.
Okay, let me do that. I'm guessing, I don't know when she brushed the powder away, but I'm guessing she brushed the powder away. It looks like it. Ah! I feel like I'm so behind. And why didn't I powder my whole face?
I'm gonna contour my nose. I don't know. Today
okay, we contouring.
I'm gonna take this dark brown. I'm gonna take this dark brown warm color.
At least my nose got a little bit of powder on it, because the rest of my face is gonna be oily.
Wet look. This is from NYX. It is the Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in the color Sun Goddess. To get this to work,
I believe I have
or you can use your fingers, whatever works. But
that color. I don't. Do I have a teardrop shape? I do. I do have a teardrop shape. So she put it on the back of her hand and used a teardrop shaped brush. So I'm gonna use this one.
I'm going to use a teardrop shaped brush from Morphe, and I'm popping that onto my cheekbones and then on my forehead.
Oh,
actually, like
hold on.
All over my forehead.
Wait a minute. Hold up.
Don't think I'm done after this.
Wait a minute.
I won't be.
I think I put too much. I think I. Oh no, it's not blending. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Like, I'm gonna dab it because I don't know what's going on. It looks like I just plopped a streak of highlight on my face.
This was summer. I'm giving
on
you
the
summer.
forehead?
I'm giving you all that summer has to offer this year. Put a little bit right in this area too. So kind of make like a U shape. I've seen this chin get really carried away. Please don't get carried away. But if you add the right amount of it, it can look really, really pretty.
So we're not done yet. We're gonna do lips.
Well, actually, I forgot the lips in this. This is the e.l.f. Beauty Show line.
We have this e.l.f. setting spray.
It launches on the 6th of June. It smells so good, and it's supposed to be an antioxidant enriched skin protection.
The glow is glowy though. Like, this is no joke glow.
Licorice extract. It's got good things for your skin, which is nice. Thanks, Elle, for protecting me. This is a London Soft Matte Cream from NYX. No liner, just going girl.
Okay, so I literally had that color and I have no clue where I put it after I moved. But I have a similar color, but it's the MAC lipstick. I don't even know. And Fresh Brew. It's pretty close to that, except for the London color is more matte. But it's still a nude nonetheless, so I'm going to use this color.
And that's the look. I'm not used to wearing makeup without powder, but
yeah. I feel like it looks weird without, like, I feel so weird. I feel so weird without powder. Like, I feel like I'm gonna be oily. Okay, so this is the look. Let me take my headband off. I'm gonna do that off camera because I'm scared that you guys are gonna see my butt. I'm just kidding. You can see my legs. Oh shoot. I don't care, actually. It's a wig. You know, she tried to look cute. And I don't feel like I look cute, but she tried it. Like, this was fun though, like actually following a makeup tutorial. Like, I feel like I did alright. I could have done better. I feel like my lashes are like super wonky, and I'm probably just really picky because I do lashes for a living. Well, eyelash extensions, not like strip lashes. But I feel like I look better with liner than without any liner. But let me know what you guys think about this look. Did I nail it or did I freaking butcher it? I feel like I butchered it. But she tried it. She tried it. She tried it. Just let me know in the comment section below, because I want to hear your guys' opinion and all that stuff. But if you guys have tried this tag, it's so much fun. You guys should totally try it out. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you. Wait, if you guys enjoyed the tag, by the way, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, because I make videos every week. I try my best. So subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a video. So that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya.